Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Tashnaram, son of Rajaram. So for the DIY Made Simple 2024 STEM competition, our group has come up with an idea called air cooler. So what is this air cooler about? That's what we're gonna learn throughout this video. First of all, let's begin with my group members' introduction.
My name is Tan Yin Yang.
My name is Junfai.
My name is Sri Kumar, Analaki R. Mohan Krishnan.
Welcome to our DIY air cooler showcase. We are excited to share why our homemade air cooler is a game changer. First off, let's talk about energy efficiency. Our air cooler is designed to be super energy efficient. We use recycled materials to build it, which means it doesn't gobble up electricity like traditional AC units. So, not only does it keep us cool, but it also keeps our energy bills.
Speaking of bills, let's discuss about the cost effectiveness of our project. We managed to put this air cooler together without breaking the bank. By repurposing items that we already had or we could find cheaply, we managed to save up a bundle compared to buying a new air conditioner.
Now, onto the fun part, customization. One of the coolest things about our air cooler is that we got to customize it exactly how we want. From the color and design to the airflow settings, we had total control. It's like having a personalized cooling experience tailored just for us.
But wait, there's more. Building this cooler wasn't just about staying cool, it was also a hands-on learning experience. We done instant concepts like heat transfer, airflow dynamic, and sustainable design. It was a fun way to learn new skills while tackling a real-world problem. In summary, our DIY air cooler is a win-win. It's energy efficient, budget-friendly, customizable, and educational. Thank you for tuning into our showcase.
Okay, now to the final part where we're gonna explain about what are the things we're gonna use for this air cooler and the estimate price for it. Okay, so far we're gonna use 2 bottles for make a pipe and 1 container to put water and ice, and then 2 fan made from plastic, and then DC motor which is around 6 to 12 ringgit, and a 1 battery, and a battery holder which is about 3 to 5 ringgit, and a switch for RM 7 ringgit, and finally we're gonna buy a black and red wire which is 3 ringgit. All these costs are around 24 ringgit to 30 ringgit only. I hope you have enjoyed our video and thank you.